this side now, a new control has been added. 8 options are available in single tone. A lot of piano black treatment has been added on. Kia Sonet में ना जगह नहीं है. All disc brakes, yeah, but Kia has made the job done. This is the all-new Kia Sonet facelifted model, which is very much identical and similar to its brother from its same mother, the Kia Seltos, because the whole car is very much identical from each and every angle, and this can be called as the mini Seltos also. So this is the facelifted model. This is the GT line, of course, but Kia has made the job done because Kia has changed the key of the car also as compared to the pre-facelifted model. So this is the key of the car which has been changed completely and which has been borrowed from the Kia Seltos, which is the brother from the same mother. Lock the car, unlock the car, this is to turn on the car, and this is to unlock the boot of the car only, because this doesn't get an electric tailgate as such. Very premium key to hold. So let's skip this aside and let's come to this Sonet, because the length dimensions hasn't been changed, but still the length happens to be 3995 mm, width happens to be 1790 mm, height happens to be 1642 mm, the wheelbase happens to be 2500 mm, and the ground clearance happens to be 190 mm, which is similar to the pre-facelifted model. So let's come to the front now. A lot of piano black treatment has been added on. This is the side turn indicator in LED, of course, projector headlights, both high beam as well as low beam, and this is the DRLs which glow at the night very much tastefully. This is the 4 parking sensors at the front from the base model, of course, HTE piano black treatment. This is the 360-degree parking camera unit for the safety. This is the new Kia logo. And the whole car now from the front is very much identical to the Seltos, of course. So from the side now, there hasn't been made any changes. At the sides now, front suspension happens to be MacPherson strut with coil spring suspension at the front. Tire profile happens to be 215/60 R16 alloys, diamond cut, and this is of course a piano black treatment with the silver treatment also. All disc brakes, yeah, all disc brakes, no disc drum. So all disc brakes have been provided. This is huge and cool. 360-degree cadling runs all over to the car. This is the 360-degree parking camera unit. And the ORVMs now are in piano black treatment. This is of course a dual tone option. So 8 options are available in single tone, 2 dual tone options, and the matte, which is the X line. So the rear tire also happens to be the same. At the rear now, this is the connected tail light which looks really huge. So this is the 4 parking sensors at the rear, and the fake exhaust vent has been removed completely because the exhaust was always below the car, and in this now the exhaust is over there. So why to show the exhaust, man? So the fake exhaust vents has been removed completely. Somewhat of treatment, silver treatment. So as you choose the variants now, this is of course a GT line, so the bumper design also changes as you choose the variants. That's cool. This is the Sonet badging which has been changed. Kia badging, GT line, of course. This is the 360-degree parking camera unit. This is usual, man. Let's open the boot of the car, because this doesn't get an electric tailgate as such, and the boot of the car also hasn't been changed. 385 liters, which is similar and same. 60/40 rear split seats. Let's check out the spare tire. I guess the spare tire is not an alloy, and yeah, that's not an alloy. So this is the steel 195/65 R15 low profile tires, and in the GTE now you get the same tire. So Kia Car Connect 60+ app features in this model, of course. So all disc brakes, of course, and all the door handles now are in body colors. That's cool. So let's open the, oh my god, it's locked. Request switch, of course, and as I press the request switch now, the ORVMs unfold and fold. Let's open the second row, of course. So as you choose the variants now, the interior also changes. Yeah, the Kia has made a lot of options. So a lot of interior options, exterior options. So a lot of color trims are also available. Okay, so this is the legroom. This is the knee room, of course, and check the under thigh. That is huge and that is sufficient, because यार इतनी जगह ना सेकेंड रो में इस काफ़ी है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि यार किया सोनेट में ना जगह नहीं है. दैट्स फेक. एक्चुअल में बैठ के देखो, आपको बराबर अंदाज़ा लग जाएगा. एंड दिस सीट्स ना are ultra comfort because the passenger gets the head rest, of course, not the head rest, so it's adjustable. So this is of course 60/40, and this is the armrest with twin cup holders, of course. Let's close this. Okay, the premium leather has been used, and this is the 3-point seat belts for all the passengers. But this is the virus protection. Where is the air purifier with smart pure air? All air vents now have been changed and revised in such a manner then that they look really amazing. And this is the dashboard view, looks really premium. Two Type-C charging slots, no wireless slot as such. So this is the rear AC vent. काफ़ी है यार. The legroom is very much cool. So this is the magazine holder, aircraft style. And let's go out of the car. So this gets 8 speakers. Yeah, Bosch sound surrounding system, which is one of the best brands in speaker. A lot of soft touch has been provided, and a lot of silver trim also has been provided. This is of course the sunshade, sun blind, which is needed in the summer days, of course. And Goa का climate ना कुछ कह नहीं सकते. So in this car, the driver seat gets the electronic adjustable controls. Seat can be controlled at the front, back, and the recline angle. So this is to control the recline angle. This is to turn the seat front and back. Although this is of course manual to adjust the height. This is to open the fuel lid. This is to open the bonnet of the car, and let's sit in the car. So the driver door now gets a lot of control. This is for the ORVM to adjust. This is for the ORVMs to fold and unfold. This is all power windows. So the driver only gets the one touch up and down function. This is for the child lock, of course. And let's close this. Turn on the car. Okay. This has been turned on, and the instrument cluster now is really huge. 10.25 inch with a lot of features. Piano black treatment. This is the AC vents, which has been changed completely. The whole interior now has been changed completely. So where is the fan speed, man? Okay. This is quite confusing. Okay, let's turn on this. Turn off the side turn indicator. Let's turn off this also. Okay, as you turn on the side turn indicator now, blind view monitor system from the base variant, of course. 3-point seat belts from the base variant. A lot of things are available from the base variant. 15 plus safety features, which includes the 6 airbag standard, ESP, blind view monitor system, front rear sensor, emergency stop signal, 3-point seat belts. And as we compare the ADAS now, the level 1 ADAS has been provided. So the FCW, FCA car, FCA pedestrian, FCA cycle, lane departure, lane keep, and what not. A lot of things has been provided. So level 1 ADAS, that's cool. Let's turn on this because I am feeling very hot. This is the handbrake. This is the armrest, and this has been turned on, I guess. So yeah, this has been turned on. So you can see this make a cool illusion. So virus protection and all that stuff. Here you can keep your phone. Wireless charging pad. This is the Type-C. This is the USB slot, and you can turn and off. So this is the 12 volt charging socket. This is of course the automatic diesel 1.5 6 speeds. This is the glow box, which does not have a air cooled option. So the whole interior now is very much premium. So coming to the steering wheel now, before that, this is for the wiper controls front and rear. This is for the headlight controls front. So this is for the side turn indicator also. This is to start the car, stop the car. This is for the traction control. This is for the parking sensors. This is for the auto on function, and this is for the headlight level switch. So now in this car 8 speakers, my mistake, 8 speakers. So a lot of things has been provided in this Kia Sonet facelifted model, and this screen is really huge. 10.25 inch screen, and quiet mode, map, navigation, phone, sound mode, and all that stuff, media and all that things has been provided in build. यार बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Auto climate control, that is huge. So twin cup holders over here also. So the seat is electrically adjustable only for the driver, and this is the sunroof which opens with the voice also. But although यार यहाँ पर अभी इस बटन से काम कर लेते हैं because I don't want to use it now. This is of course the goggle holder, and this is the sun blind sunshade. The driver does not get a mirror as such. The co-driver gets a mirror. Why is that so? Driver also needs to see his face now. Okay, this is the Auto IR-VM, SOS, towing service, and the Kia Car Connect. So 60 plus Kia Car Connect features. Okay, this is for the air ventilation, seat ventilation for the front. Only the front 2 seats now get the air ventilation option. So this is on right now. Let's turn off this. Okay, drive mode selector. So as I turn on the drive mode now, this gets changed completely. So sports mode, eco mode, and this is of course the normal mode and makes a cool illusion man as you get your side turn indicator ना. So यहाँ पर दिखा रहा है प्रॉपरली कि ऑब्स्टिकल वगैरह नहीं है, सो दैट्स कूल. सो प्रॉपरली हमने कवर कर लिया है. द ड्राइवर एंड द को ड्राइवर डज नॉट गेट द एडजस्टेबल सीट बेल्ट्स एज सच. All the headrests are adjustable. That is completely down. This is completely down. This is completely down. GT line seats, of course. So all the variants get the specific seats. So that's for pretty sure. So coming to the steering now, pedal shifters, of course. This is for the audio controls. This side now, a new control has been added on, and this is the ADAS. Yeah, this is the ADAS, and the cruise control is of course there. Let's turn off the headlights also. Now you can see the proper instrument cluster. The piano black treatment has been added on a lot of places, so care has to be taken. So the whole dashboard and the interior has been covered. Let's turn off the car and let's go out and let's talk more, because so the bottle holders are, the space has been huge, so a lot of bottle space has been provided. Okay, let's close this, and yeah, the car is very much practical and similar to the, again, the brother from its same mother, the Kia Seltos. And this car now is very much practical and will be the rival for all this kind of SUVs like the Venue, the Volkswagen Taycan, and all the mid-segment SUVs. Now this will be the real rival and real beast, because this has a lot of things which that cars doesn't get in this price range. So this was the proper walk around of the Kia Sonet facelifted model. If you like this, do share and do subscribe.